AUR, Advanced Unit Replacement for Westinghouse. This is for 32-inch TVs and below. And then for TVs that are 37 inches above, the DOW, Depot and Wheels. This is where Westinghouse calls Service Center team and requests that a replacement unit be sent to their customer. Westinghouse charges the customer for the replacement unit. Once the customer receives the replacement unit, they return their older unit back to Service Center team. We grade it, call Westinghouse, and Westinghouse takes care of all the charges.